Hi, good morning students. Today our topic is voice. Before going to this topic, students, you have the previous knowledge on tense and sentence pattern. These are the two things which is the base for this topic voice. Without studying this, you cannot get into the topic voice. These are the entire things you want to discuss today. Number one is definition of voice. Number two, types of voice, active voice and passive voice. Number three, definition of active voice and passive voice. Number four, kinds of passive voice, personal, impersonal. Fifth one is kinds of verb. Number one, transitive verb. Number two, intransitive verb. And finally, how to identify active voice and passive voice. Definition of voice. According to traditional grammar, voice is the quality of a verb that indicates whether its subject acts, called as active voice, or is acted upon, called as passive voice. Definition of active voice. If the subject is performing the action, the verb is in the active form. Next one, definition of passive voice. If the subject undergoes the action of the verb is in the passive form. Now we'll come to the procedures of converting active voice into passive voice. That is called transformation of sentences. Number one, the format of active voice is doer plus action plus sufferer. Example, I have killed the lion. So doer here is I, action is have killed, and the sufferer is the lion. The format of second one, the format is of passive voice is sufferer plus action plus doer. Example, the lion has been killed by me. The sufferer here is the lion, action is has been killed, and the doer is by me. Third one, object plays a vital role while converting AV into PV, which means without an object you cannot convert into passive voice. Object, what is the object then? Object is something which answers to the question what and whom, in which what refers to non-living things and whom refers to living things. While converting AV into PV, subject becomes object, object becomes subject, exactly here. Subject I becomes the object here, and the object line becomes the subject here. And check whether the tense form as well as the subject, whether it is single or plural. Tense form here it is present perfect. So I have added the word being here. Has been killed. Why it is has? Because lion is singular. If it is lions, then have been killed. The voice. Number one is personal. Number two is impersonal. Personal passive voice means presence of by phrase in a statement. For example, the experiment is done by me. Here there is a by phrase, so it is called as personal passive voice. If there is no by phrase in a sentence, that is called as impersonal passive voice. For example, this has been done. There is no by phrase here. Next one, kinds of verb, transitive verb and intransitive verb. Transitive verb means if there is an object in a sentence, that verb is called as transitive verb. If there is no object in a sentence, and the verb is called as intransitive verb. Very easy. Coming to the next one, how to identify the given statement is active voice. Number one is absence of by phrase. There won't be any by phrase. The main verb is in the form of past participle, that is V3. Next one is how to identify passive voice. Presence of by phrase. Number two is helping verb plus main verb, and the main verb will be in the form of V3. Coming to the continuation of procedures of transformation. Among the 12 tenses, 12 are active and 8 are passive. Which means all the 12 tenses has the active voice, whereas only 8 tenses have the passive voice. There is no passive voice for the following tenses. Number 1 is present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous, and future continuous. And even there is no passive voice for the exclamatory sentences also. 8th one. There is no passive voice for the SVC pattern. For example, I am a doctor. There is no passive voice for this. 9th one. For FCOC pattern, complement will be unaltered, which means you can frame a sentence for SVOC pattern. You can convert that into passive voice, but the complement will be unaltered. I'll explain this later. 10th one. Passive voice is available for all these topics. Number 1 is tenses. Number 2 is interrogatives. Number 3 is imperative. Number 4 is proverbs. And finally, non-finite sentences, which means without an object, how can we convert to passive voice? Now, we will proceed for the passive voice for tense form. Number 1, present tense. Mala attends the meeting. The meeting is attended by Mala. I told object becomes subject and subject become object. So meeting comes as the subject and the Mala, which is the subject, comes as an object here. And since attends is a present tense, I have used the word is here. If it is meeting is plural, then it should be are. So answer is the meeting is attended by Mala. Next one, past tense. Kevin bought some pens. Some pens were bought by Kevin. Since pens are plural, I have used the word were and is a past tense. So were bought by Kevin. Next one, future tense. Generally, for the modal verbs like can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, for, and must. For the 9 words, add be. Exactly here also. They will sell the furniture. The furniture will, I told be, will be sold by them. Next one is present continuous tense. For continuous tense, you have to add being to the verb. She is eating an apple. An apple is being eaten by her. Next one is past continuous tense. Tendulkar was hitting the ball. Answer, the ball was being hit by Tendulkar. The ball is singular, so was here. If the balls, then it must be were. Then there is no hitted, only hit. So answer will be the ball was being hit by Tendulkar. Present perfect tense. Generally, for the perfect tenses, you have to add been in the passive voice. She has brought an umbrella. An umbrella has been brought by her. If umbrella is plural, then here instead of has, you have to use the word have. Next one, past perfect tense. The judge had warned the culprits. The culprits had been warned by the judge. 8th one, future perfect tense. Lawyers will have shortened the verdict. Verdict means judgment. Answer, the verdict will have been, I have had the word been here. The verdict will have been shortened by the lawyers. I hope that I have given all tenses. It is time for activity now. So I have given 5 sentences for you. Your work is identify what voice is this first and convert into other voice. Thank you.